Hey guys, today back we're back to videos, and we are going to play Animal Hospital Anomaly. So I don't like how that guy, just the doctor is staring at me. So I honestly don't like how this looks. So I don't think I can get a new class now. Secretary sanity is really low. Utility is okay. Starter money really low. The nurse is also really low. So I think I should go back to. I'm actually gonna start going back to intern. Notice how like all of them have a frown. I really want this one, but it's Robux only, so. So let's go. Knowing the ambulance, we are going to play with other people. Let's play with Donut King and Shadow Deity. But okay, we're just gonna hope that I'm not terrible at video games. Okay, not that mic. So is this gonna load or? So it took forever. It wasn't loading. So it wasn't. So. So it wasn't loading, so I joined another server, and we are joined by my little cousin. I had 8 or 10. By you. What do you look like? Oh, you're Blue Summer. Okay.
Start. Dude, these people are joining.
Oh, this. I forgot. Well, I think it's better to play with more than at least 3 people, because the ambulance comes at day 2 or day 3, and we're gonna need a lot of people for that.
On day 3 or day 2, when I played on day 3 or day 2, but they didn't come out.
So 2 people came. I switched back to intern because I started with really low health, with really low sanity as secretary.
People are coming in because of that.
Because we're fat. They're coming in because we're fat.
So they didn't lose weight. That's why they're coming in.
But
And then when the other people come in, they're so old and so fat, they're fatter than Earth.
they're not letting me do
Why am
it.
I already doing that thing?
I'm trying to do it.
There. Why does this guy have shavy hair?
Shavy?
Yeah, look at the purple guy. Look at him.
Oh yeah, that was my old class, but I switched back to intern because I started at really low sanity. So I'm pretty sure.
You definitely get out now. Riley.
Good doer.
I think you're you're right. Good job, Riley. You're right. You're right. I told you right. Just name that.
Okay, my dad just walked in. Anyways, hey, he slammed the door in my face.
I will be Amram too because
That
they
guy?
always do that. They're so annoying.
They're annoying.
Yes. Slam in the face. Oh, I was just slapping you. Let me do this, patient. Let me do it.
Okay.
My butt. Look at my butt. Look at my butt. Look at my butt. Look at my butt. He needs water. Look at my butt.
I did it.
I don't really do, guys. I get more money.
Is it just I don't like the new design of the doctor.
Yeah, I hate it. It's so ugly.
It's ugly.
Yes, I like the old one. Look at it. It looks like the deal from 99 that evolved to the
It look.
Lego. Now it's so poopy that needs us to break the. It needs us to break the bone.
You think it looks like the deal from 99 Nights?
What's up there? Kiss me. Sorry. I know horrible. Excellent.
You didn't buy the gun.
Best Riley.
Yay.
Good job. I get $93. Let's go.
I have 63 bucks.
Why do I have 6-7 status? I have 6-7.
You mean sanity?
It's 6-7 status.
Buy the gun.
You have a gun?
No, buy it because it costs Robux. It costs one. Oh,
I didn't have Robux.
240 Robux.
I don't have Robux. Wait,
Then how is your avatar like that then?
because I changed it. Don't worry about it. So wait, should we make a part 2?
No, let's just do one.
Oh, and then we make a part 2.
No, let's just do one video, not part 2.
What shift do we get? What shift do we get? Should we get to shift 8?
Like maybe 10. The shifts are kind of long.
Your chat that we're gonna get to shift 10.
Chat.
Say it.
Okay, chat, we're going to get shift 10.
Good job. You don't even, that's not even have string in the house. What you do me? What you do me? I'm gonna check something. Nobody steal my patience.
This girl keeps on trying to steal mine.
Oh, look, I'm breaking it. I'm breaking it. I'm breaking it. That's what I found. That's what I find. Oh, we need a key.
What? I didn't know that.
I know that.
I didn't see that. I don't know. I don't know you can.
Like,
You
he
can.
was just looking, and he found this.
Where are you?
Just
You-
go
you-
out 5.
You can break this thing?
Yeah, but you need a key. Imagine
I didn't know that. How do you get the key?
I don't know. We were just playing, and he found that, but he wasn't playing anymore, so he found it.
Who?
Evan. What's up? I'm Old Washington. This guy's name is Old Washington.
Oh, Old Washington. That's his name.
Yeah.
I'm gonna try to like. I'm gonna try to like. I'm gonna try to like repeat what you say because I don't know if they can hear
He's
you.
dying. I repeat, he's dying. He's dying.
Okay, he's good.
No, he isn't. He's gonna die. We need. Alex, you're so fat.
You're so fat. He's fat. This guy isn't even checking them. He's not checking the cameras. She's just doing it without even checking anything. She's not checking the cameras.
I'm doing the patient that is in room 1. I finished
All
the
the room 3. The girl playing with us is kind of annoying, to be honest. No offense, but
Haha, okay.
and okay, that's rude.
This guy thought he was
No
gonna
offense to Shadow 303, but like he keeps on like I'm here first.
Let me see, guy. Let me see. He's covering up my face. Finally, don't you dare. I got first.
No, I didn't.
Ha ha ha.
No, I didn't.
I still have it. Haha. Cause I only use one. The doctor had a. How do the doctor run so fast? They only spent like 10 minutes. And then on the first shift, we only spent 2 minutes. This makes no sense. But yep.
Because the first shift is always small. It's always short.
So it's 7. What do I look like?
Also, just saying, you guys, my voice it goes like really high in video, so please don't think I'm a little kid.
No!
I have 176. Let's see what I can get.
I have 200.
25 videos. Oh yeah, let's get that.
I'm saving my money. You guys are not fair. Bye. I don't like you. This guy is innocent.
No, he wasn't. He was twitching.
No, sorry.
No one's letting me check into things. Move, Shadow.
That's on me.
No one's letting me check in.
I would do room 3.
No, I'm already here.
Whoever gets in there first is losing.
I'm in here.
I think whoever gets in there first loses.
Wait, what did you say?
Whoever gets in the room first, lose.
Oh. Yeah, you're me.
Thank you guys.
Also, if you don't know what he said whoever gets in the room first loses, and I thought he said wins. Oh. Also, did you know that when a customer faints and you're picking him up, you can actually throw him into the trash?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wait, should we test it out?
Yeah, I saw someone do it, so.
Wait, it could be alive. It could be alive. Wait,
Well, yeah, but.
it's just
One. I'll do one. I'll do number 4.
What's up, dude? You like me? Do you like my butt?
Do you like your butt? What?
Look at him. Look at me. I'm him.
Oh my god, I swear to god, Shadow is trying to rage me.
Wait, who's gonna get the cat? Who's gonna get that? Bandit. That's it. Aw. I hope I get some more money still. Let me do one patient.
Well, summer, not summer. A shadow isn't like. So I need coffee. I'm just gonna do one sip and wait.
If I
Yeah.
get this gun, I will shoot them.
Matthew.
Oh my God! She's so cute!
She's cute.
Yeah, because she's little and funny.
That's a rat.
Ew.
That's a rat.
It's not cute anymore.
That's a rat.
Then it's not cute.
But it is. Okay. So oh my God, my battery's at 5%.
Tell you, chat, my battery's at 5%.
Like we're gonna have to end. Ethan, we're gonna have to end the video because my battery's at 5%. It's not gonna last.
Tell you, chat, that isn't end at 5%. Tell you, chat, that this isn't being short because my iPad is at 5%.
No, we have to end it right now.
Okay, so
Yeah, we can still play. I just have to get the shots. So where are you?
I'll do room 1. I'll do room
Hold on.
1.
Hold on. Get to the lobby so we can end the video. Come right here so we can end the video.
I left the game.
Are you? He left the
To
game.
the lobby, like the real lobby.
So, anyways, so guys, my batteries are really low, so we had to end the video right here. I wanted him to come with me so we can end it together, but he left the game already. So, bye guys. See you in the next one.